Hello guys, and welcome to another CapCut tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add the circle magnify effect in CapCut PC. To begin, I've imported this clip onto my timeline over here. The first thing you need to do is to come over to the effects tab over here, and under the video effects, what you want to do is to search for magnify and hit enter. And automatically these options will pop up. You will notice that we have 7 different kind of magnifying effect over here. The first one is a simple magnifying glass effect. If I import it onto my timeline and I move my cursor over it, you can see what it does. It magnifies this subject over here. The second option is the dash magnifier over here. It has some dots and dashes around it. The third option over here is the arrow magnifier. It has an arrow at an edge over it. We have the box magnifier over here. So you can basically go around to see whatever template you prefer. And over here we have the slow zoom. This zooms in. It magnifies your subject by zooming into your subject. We also have the heart magnifier over here. It gives a heart shape. And we also have the Instagram magnifier over here. I'm just going to show us how to use one or two options. If we select the Instagram option over here, we can edit it. To edit it, come over to this section over here. You can reduce or increase the size over here. Another thing you can do is to move it vertically and to move it horizontally. You can also adjust the strength of the magnifying effect. And you can also blur the background with the options over here. The same thing for this other magnifying glass effect. You can select the magnifying glass effect and come over here and reduce its strength. You can also reduce the size of the magnifying glass. You can also add some borders to the background by adjusting the value for color over here. And you can also move the magnifying glass to any position you prefer, horizontally and vertically. And that's it guys on how to magnify a portion of your screen in CapCut PC.